welcome back to 1 Minute Millionaire. Look, we thought we'd just put together a few little mini videos to give you a bit of a taste of what we're going to be doing on the course. Hi, I'm Michael Worthington. I'm here with my good friend Gerhard Stoop. How are you, Gerhard?
As always, excited.
It is thrilling. Now, this one I always say to people, they say, Michael, you've heard about Simon Sinek and why and everything, and I always go, look, talk to Gerhard because you actually put this really well for people, not only about their why, but what it can do for them in helping them rapidly, in 1 minute, become a millionaire.
I think most programs start in the middle. They start with the logos, the web pages. We said, no, let's start from the beginning. Let's put down the foundation to build your business on. And one of the first steps is to know your why. And there's a lot of reasons for that. If you look at companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, those people, their why is so strong that people follow them. So there's basically two ways that you can look at people's behavior or influence people's behavior. You can inspire it or you can manipulate it. If you don't know your why, you have to use manipulation for those people to keep on buying. And it's normally, let's get the price. And we know that's not a good business decision.
It's not going to last, is it?
It's not going to last. So knowing your why, you can get followers. You can inspire people. That people also stand around the corner overnight wanting to buy your product, like iPhone.
Oh, I know, you see the queues, don't you?
Yes.
I do often hear business owners say, yeah, but that's okay for those big companies like this. But for those of you who are in West Australia, where we are, we actually have a car yard dealer called John Hughes. Now, his why is so much to deliver such great value and customer service to people buying vehicles. So if the vehicle's wrong for you, he just doesn't even sell it to you. He's that good a person to deal with. And he's actually put that in his mantra. Choose your dealer before you choose your car. And people are resonating in such, and he's a massive dealer here in WA,
yes,
in Perth, because people go, hey, let's go and find out what he actually stands for, and that trust factor. When they understand your why, there's a trust factor, and people come to buy off you rather than you have to sell to them.
But it's more than that as well. If you know your why, you can give it to your staff. Your staff will buy into your why.
Yeah.
So when you market your why.
Yeah.
And even a more important point is, if you know your why, is that everything you do goes around your why.
Yeah.
So if you want to do a business deal and that person doesn't fit in with your why, you don't do that business. So it stops you from doing business with everybody, and at the end of the day, it might cost you money. To know your why is definitely step number one. So,
when you sign up for the course, this is what we'll take you through, the specific pieces on how to create your why, I should say, so you can get the goals, you can create that freedom you want, that lifestyle, create that wealth, so you can live how you want to live. I encourage you, it's going to cost you the cost of a cup of coffee a day. It's going to cost you the amount of time it takes to drink that cup of coffee that you've given up to join us. Hey, come and join our community. We're here to support everybody, and we all want to support each other. That's why we've chosen a platform. Sign up. Let's have a lot of fun, and let's help you create that dream, and you too can become a 1 minute millionaire.